attach 2 hitch side brackets using 2 carriage bolts. Is that a carriage bolt? Oh yeah, okay. 2 carriage bolts and wing knobs. Okay. 2 carriage bolts and wing knobs. There's no carriage bolts and wing knobs. There's probably carriage bolts and wing knobs in here. Holy crap. All kinds of carriage bolts and wing knobs. Carriage bolt, wing knob. That's spiffy. Carriage bolt. And wing knob. I hope these are all the same. They're all from the same package, so you gotta kind of figure that they're all the same. Okay, that's good to go. Now, I'll flip this baby over and get this U bracket. Install them like this. Okay, so we flip this over and get this U bracket. And where the hell does this go? Is there a slot? There ain't no slot there. Looks like there's a slot right there. There's 1, 2, 3. Right. Is that hole big enough for that? Hell no. Big enough for that. Screw this up. It shows it goes back a little bit. Okay. The cutouts come forward and showing the top one, forward one. Cutouts come forward. Oh, okay. The 700 models, we gotta do the squares. That goes like that. Okay. Just like that. And then we gotta take a couple of carriage bolts and doohickeys. Yeah. Okay, so that's that. So for the 700 models, you gotta do the squares in front. For all other models, you do the round things. And it shows you right here which holes it should line up to. Let's hope that's right. Okay, now I gotta bring this down and around and upside down like that. And hook it into those 2 things that are underneath here. Where are you? There you are. And that's 1. All right, there's 2. Oh wow, Looks like it was made for it. Look at that. Okay. Man, I hope I don't lose my ability to toast up. Yeah, it probably goes right here. You gotta attach that right there. Okay, so that's on that. Line holes on brackets with hole on tractor. That's that big ass pin. Which is this one right here. And then they got a nice little deal right there. Now, let me give you a note on this. It shows in the diagram to come from the bottom up. I call bullshit on that. It should go from the bottom, from the top down, because this is easier to replace than this. This you can get in any hardware store. You can even use a cotter pin, a good sized cotter pin to run through here if you lose this out of here. However, this, you gotta go through their bull crap to try and source the part, and maybe somebody will have it, maybe somebody won't. I don't know. That's why I'm going from the top to bottom. I'm not doing like it shows in the diagram. Okay, let me show you real fast what we've done so far. Okay, this bracket right here hooks into the two brackets that we put in here earlier. Right here, and this is the bracket right here. The two hooks that go down around that. And then down here is that pin I just dropped in. Right there. Now we got a vertical holder for the, which is this right here. Well, I'll tell you what, man, it's a well-engineered piece of metal for just a couple bags of grass. Holy crap. Yeah, we want that in the middle, right? Yeah, I assume so. I don't want it on the side. Find the holes. Yeah, it goes right there. Okay. Oh, one of these is for the other thing. Okay, now, do I really need to use two? Oh, there's got to be one up on top. Okay, so I'll just do that one on the bottom here, like so. Man, this is going to come off real easy. If you need to service it or anything like that. Really nice. What is next? We got the over-engineered bracket. Now I got to install this other bracket right here. I assume that holds the bags. Get this. Wing nut on a carriage bolt. And there's the hole right there. Okay, so that's that. Now we start putting on these other pieces here. Okay, the first one is this corner piece with the hole, which is this. I assume it just clips right on, yeah. There we go. Okay, that's one. I guess the other one's the next. Let's see what we got here. I just did that one. We gotta do this one now. I assume it goes. Oof. Where the hell? Does it go on the inside or the outside? It goes on the outside of this right here. Okay. That's that. And then where the hell? Something's got to hold this. Oh, maybe that rod. Yeah. That rod holds it on top. Okay. So I'm going over to upper chute and back. Carefully latch the two tabs in place into the front of the upper chute support. See 1 in figure 413. Oh, wait a minute. Aha. That does go there, okay, just like that. Yep. Okay, we got that. Next. If not already assembled, apply seals to the underside of the upper grass catcher covers. Ha! Oh, the upper side of the grass catcher cover. If not already done. Well, I don't see any extra seals around here. Yeah, so I gotta assume this is it right here. Okay, I'm gonna need this. Okay. Oh, it shows 2 seals. Huh. Okay, here's one. Oh yeah, okay, here's the other one right here. That's a seal. And shows this to go in here with the rod. Move this out of the way, move this out of the way. And we'll throw this on here. Like so. Don't fit that side. Goes in the other way. Yes, it do.